everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we've got a little something different. Today we're gonna make these delicious pepperoni chips or crisps or whatever you want to call them. We're gonna cook the heck out of these. We're gonna make them crispy and salty and delicious. And if you are on a low carb or keto friendly diet, then these are gonna be delicious and you are gonna love them. I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Today we're gonna make an unusual snack. Now if you are low carb or keto, maybe you've made these, maybe you've heard of them, but I'm gonna be making them to put into a snack mix we're going to be featuring in another video coming up soon. Today we're gonna be making pepperoni chips, and these are so simple you're hardly gonna believe it. And I'm telling you right now, they are addictive and delicious. But if you're going low carb, you definitely want delicious. You can use your favorite type of pepperoni. If you use the deli style, that's obviously a larger slice, you're gonna get a larger end result. I'm using the type you buy in a bag in the prepared meat section of the grocery store. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pepperoni, you're going to line a baking sheet with 2 layers of parchment, and you're going to lay them out just to fill the pan. It doesn't matter if they touch or anything. I've just laid them out very evenly. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then you're gonna pop these in. I put 2 pans in at a time, and you're gonna bake them for 12 minutes. And then we'll be back and I'll show you what happens next. Okay, I pulled my pepperoni chips out of the oven at 10 minutes time. You will want to check yours at 10 minutes. Depending on your oven, you know, mine can tend to be a little bit off one way or the other. You want them to look like this, and they're gonna start to sound crackly. So once they come out of the oven, you can see they've rendered a bit of grease. So I'm gonna take a paper towel and I'm just gonna gently press it. Now don't press too hard. For one thing, these are hot from the oven. And unless you have asbestos fingers like I do, then you don't wanna, you know, hurt yourself. So just go ahead on here and pat off a bit of that grease that has been rendered onto the parchment. Now the parchment has soaked up a good portion. You will want to allow these to cool completely on the baking tray, because the longer they cool, the crisper they will get. Well, there you have it. Our pepperoni chips or crisps, they're all ready to go. You can lay these out after they're cooled on another piece of paper towel. They're gonna still be a little glistening, so just keep that in mind. You guys, if you've never done this before, you're in for a treat. You may not think these look like they're crisp, but they are. They're snappy and crunchy. Let's see if I can break one in half. You see how crunchy they are? We're gonna give one to Rick. I don't know if you can hear me chewing, but they're super crunchy and super delicious. I'm gonna be putting these in a pizza snack mix. That's just a big mixture of different kinds of crispy, crunchy, snacky things. And we're gonna make some road snacks for some friends who are moving out of town. And I thought it might be fun to give them a sweet snack mix and a savory snack mix. This obviously will be the savory one to take with them on their trip to their new home. So that's how you make pepperoni chips. I hope you give these a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.